Listen, if you're looking for an item from Dollar Tree that's for your hair that smells absolutely divine, delightful. I mean, honey, it smells scrumptious, delumptious. Now, I just made delumptious up, but listen, you get the drift what I'm saying. This right here, this rosemary hair protection, oh my goodness. Now it has things in here like rosemary. It also has what is that, the citronella in there, like the can do. It smells just like it. They also have tea tree oil in here. This is a must. This smells absolutely divine. And gently daily spray that fresh for kids, not for lice. Now, I don't know why they put the lice part in here. You know, that baffled me a little bit yesterday, too. But this is $1.25. Smell divine. And if your wig is a little dry and fried, honey, Dollar Tree said, listen, Softy Prep and Protect Refreshing Wig Dry Shampoo. Coconut hibiscus. All right? Now, you can use this for human and synthetic hair. Now, Sugarfoot. You looking for those turbans? Okay, Dollar Tree got them. They got them here. They got them here, honey. They got the turbans in Maywood, New Jersey. Just check it out. You know what time it is, don't you? You know what time it is. Today we are at the Dollar Tree in Maywood, New Jersey. I'm about to deliver. Honey, put a 5 in a chat if you ready for the delivery. Check them out. Now, when it comes to the next item, you guys really wanted to know the info about this. And I'm going to deliver in his word to the mother and the brother. Let's go. Now, some of you guys, you was really curious about the step light solar step lights. Now, this is a 2-pack. Let's see how much this is, shall we? Let's go. Okay, so the set of 2 solar step lights, these are $5. Child, when I tell you the Dollar Tree in Maywood, looky, cookie. They have some exciting items. Items I never even seen before. Check this out. All right, and then they also have the weather seal. Look at this, child. Lordy, this is so good. Dollar Tree is really out here doing it for me. Now, they also have the window installation kits over here as well. Child, looky, cookie. So first up, Dollar Tree has the fridge storage bins. These are $1.50. They have these handles right here. Oh my goodness, I never even seen these before. This is the first time I'm seeing these. Really cool. You know, if you really want to get well organized, come on down to Dollar Tree. They also have these drawer organizers as well. I had seen these before. You can put forks, spoons, knives in here just to keep your drawers organized. And you can also put seasonings in there as well. These are all $1.50. Still deal like Holyfield. Now, my loves, if you really want to get fancy, you will go on and get this turntable. Now, this, you can put your seasonings on here like they have in the picture. This is really cool. Of course, you can spend it, and this is $1.50. Don't say I don't deliver, because I deliver and that's word to the mother and the brother. Now, this Dollar Tree is more so giving hardware, it's giving Home Depot, okay? It's sort of like Lowe's, you know. Now, Dollar Tree has this Cobb LED portable work light, child, and this is $1.50. Now, Sugarfoot, you looking for those turbans? Okay, Dollar Tree got them. They got them here. They got them here, honey. They got the turbans in Maywood, New Jersey. Just check it out. All right, so you said you looking for the turbans, okay? Dollar Tree said, listen, look no further. We got the turbans. We got them in red, black. We also have, you know, the white headbands in orange. Now, when it comes to the hair items, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Okay, so they have this heat protectant. This is $1.25. They also have this one as well, natural scents, rosemary oil, and biotin. And if you really want to get fancy on them, you're going to get the hair shimmer spray. This is $1.25 silver. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has is the Barbie body scrub. They also have Villains, and they also have Stitch. Now, if your children really like the hand sanitizers, they have them here. They have the Crayola. They also have the Barbie different colors. Okay. I thought it would have like a different scent on it, but it doesn't even say. Oh, this one, they have Squashmallows. I think that's how you pronounce it, Sweet Pea. And then they also have the Spider-Man. Really, really cool, $1.25. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is the Chill Strip Relief from Fever Discomfort. This is $1.50, I believe. Ready to use, peel and stick, non-medicated, 8 hours of relief. Now, of course, Dollar Tree has the 4-pack tub trays. This is so cute. When I first seen this, I said, oh my goodness, I like this. This is $1.50. They have Smurfs. They have Garfield Best Buds. They also have SpongeBob. They have Donatella. Okay, Dollar Tree coming through for the ones and twos. Now, do you guys buy your vitamins from Dollar Tree? Okay, because they have these zinc vitamins, well, gummies, ashwagandha, biotin, super probiotics. I seen the turmeric. Okay. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is from the name brand Onyx. Strip it down. So if you want to remove nail polish, it has 20 acetone nail polish removal wipes. This is $1.25, which, by the way, that is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, at this location, Dollar Tree has the Hydrate and Lip Balm, the Cotton Candy, the Berry Cute. They also have the mixed berry as well, $1.25. Now, they also have another one. Now, this one is strawberry scented. This one is cute. Now, right now, on my brows, I have the brow pencil from LA Colors. I could not stop raving about this. Oh, they do have the new items. Now, they have, this comes in, I believe, 3 different shades. They have the light brown. I have on my brows right now dark brown. So right now, I have on my brows the dark brown. This is the skinny brow pencil. These are absolutely amazing. Really, really good. Now, they also have the brow soap. This is wax, okay? It's really wax. Now, they had another one at Dollar Tree. I don't see that one here. It's like a wax pen. I would definitely do the wax pen, and I also have the wax pen on my brows as well. I would do the wax pen as opposed to this, because with this one, you have to use a spoolie. And if you are shading in your brows with the pencil and then you go and use this with the spoolie, honey, it's going to take it off, okay? So it's best to see if you can find the actual pen. I'm going to see if they have it here. All right, they don't have the pen at this location, but I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. In other news, a mascara that I have on right now, it is the Lift and Lock. Absolutely love this. This is $1.25 from LA Colors. Now, they have about 3 of these. My personal favorite is definitely the purple one. Location, they have the silicone breakfast mold. These are cute. Now, I showed you guys this the other day. They have like the Garfield, the Smurfs. They also have the SpongeBob SquarePants, and then they also have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Love these. These are $1.25. Now, this is cute. Now, they have these Serve Neon Glow Tumblers. You get 4 of these, 4 different colors for $1.25. Maybe something you don't need, but honey, this is cute. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Sure Scents. This is an air freshener, Room Mist, Fuchsia Bluebell. They also have the Fresh Clean. And then they also have the Allen fruit. These are $1.50. Now, this is one of the items that I absolutely love at Dollar Tree because you will definitely get your bang for your buck when it comes to this next item. Check it out. So, it is none other than the value pack. Now, they coming out with the 4 cents. Like this one is apple cinnamon. You get 3 of these for a $3.25. Honey, that's a steal deal like Holyfield. And it is compatible with air wick warmers. Love this. Okay, so they also have the Twilight one, the cotton linen, and then they also have the wild lavender. All right, my love. So today we are in the Dollar Tree in Maywood, New Jersey. Okay, look. So they have these Zori, these Barbies over here. These are so cute. Now, I believe these are $3. Absolutely love this ton. And check this out. Okay, so if you are looking for something fun for your little ones, for your little girls, Dollar Tree definitely has these Zori Dars. Okay, love this. Look at the butterfly. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely stunning. Now, Dollar Tree also has this this puzzle piece right here. The United States puzzle has, I think, 80 pieces. This is nice. This is $5. Absolutely love this. Now, some of the Dollar Trees, I know you guys said, depending on which Dollar Tree you go to, some Dollar Trees carry some items and some other Dollar Trees don't carry, some of the items. But at this one in Maywood, New Jersey, they got this United States puzzle piece, honey. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is the stackable stew tables that comes in about 3 different shades. They have like this gray, dark brown, and also light brown. So I was a bit impressed, okay, because they did have like a lot of the hardware items up in there, like things such as if you looking to cover your windows, right? Those was really good. And then they also had those strips, those window strips that you can put like on the window and the door. Now, not for nothing, those normally cost way more than $1.25. I was definitely impressed with that. Those solar step lights, also impressed. I mean, 2 for $5, $2.50 a piece. I think that was definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, let us know in the comment section what are some of the items that you guys just recently purchased, and what are some of the items that you all want to look out for. Now, me personally, I'm on the lookout for the beef tallow. Okay, so beef tallow, you can use it for cooking, or you can even make lotions and stuff with it. It had went viral on TikTok. They say is a great item to have, so I'm definitely on the lookout for that. I haven't seen it at none of the Dollar Trees that I recently been at, but honey, we gonna keep on looking. Now, and I catch you guys at the next Dollar Tree. Lenners, New Jersey, here we come.